Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, we are making whipped butter, and I took 2 sticks of regular butter and I left them out on the counter for about 30 minutes, and I went ahead and used my blender for a little while, my hand mixer, and then that was like pulling teeth, which I had forgotten, because then I had to use my scraper and scrape out all the butter off of those. So I reverted back to the old method that I've been using for years, which is just using a simple fork. And then I took the fork and I beat all of this up and got it all smooth and creamy. And I usually put it in a little Cool Whip container dish that I have left over, and I put a lid on it and I keep it on our kitchen counter, and it'll stay like that forever. Okay, for at least a week or two. Thanks for stopping by. Love you. Bye.